Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Calvas White Plus Black Replacement Remote Control, specifically designed to be a fit for LG LCD and LED TVs. This model, the MKJ39170828, aims to be a smart service controller replacement for TVs like the 19LG30 and 19LG31. First impressions are decent. The remote sports a clean white and black design. It's fairly standard in appearance, nothing too flashy, but it looks like it would fit in well with most LG televisions. The ergonomic design is noticeable. It feels comfortable enough to hold, which is important for extended viewing sessions. The Calvas remote is designed to control a single television. Setting it up is straightforward. It should work right out of the box with compatible LG models, so no complicated programming is usually needed. The buttons have a decent feel, not too mushy and not too clicky. Responsiveness is key, and this remote seems to deliver. Each button press translates quickly to the TV, allowing for seamless navigation of menus and channels. The special feature listed is ergonomic, and it does feel relatively comfortable in hand. The button layout is familiar, mirroring the original LG remote design, so there's no real learning curve involved. You can pick it up and start using it immediately. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The product description specifically mentions the 19LG30 and 19LG31 models. If you own one of these TVs and your original remote is lost or broken, this Calvas replacement is definitely worth considering. However, it's always a good idea to double-check the model number of your TV against the compatibility list to ensure it will work correctly. In terms of build quality, the Calvas remote feels reasonably sturdy. It's made of plastic, as you'd expect, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. It should be able to withstand everyday use and the occasional accidental drop. Overall, the Calvas White Plus Black Replacement Remote Control is a solid option if you need to replace a lost or broken LG remote. It's easy to use, comfortable to hold, and offers good responsiveness. While it may not have any fancy features, it does exactly what it's supposed to do: control your LG television. If you're looking for a simple, reliable replacement, the Calvas MKJ39170828 is definitely worth checking out. Just be sure to confirm compatibility with your specific LG TV model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.